Your car is shaking, pulling, or making weird noises, and you're ignoring it, thinking it's normal wear and tear. Wrong. These are warning signs of suspension problems that are about to get expensive fast. I'm talking about 6 suspension issues hiding in plain sight that most people miss until it's too late, and by then, you're looking at thousands in repairs instead of hundreds. I've been diagnosing suspension problems for 16 years, and I see the same pattern constantly. People ignore the early warning signs that act shocked when their repair bill explodes. Today, I'm exposing the 7 most commonly missed suspension problems, how to spot them early, and what they'll cost if you wait. And problem number 4, it's causing uneven tire wear right now, and you probably think it's normal. Problem 1, worn ball joints. Let's start with one of the most dangerous suspension failures, worn ball joints. Your ball joints connect your control arms to your steering knuckles and allow your wheels to move while turning. When they wear out, bad things happen. The scary part is they often fail without obvious warning. You might hear a slight clunking over bumps or feel some looseness in the steering feel, but people dismiss these as normal. Then one day, the ball joint separates completely and your wheel literally falls off while driving. The early warning signs are subtle. A clunking noise over bumps, especially at low speeds, uneven tire wear on the inside or outside edge, loose or wandering steering feel, the car pulling to one side. By the time you can physically see the play in the ball joint, you're already at critical failure point. We test ball joints by lifting the vehicle and checking for play in the wheel. Even a little bit of play means replacement is needed. Most people never check this until something fails. The fix? Have your ball joints inspected at every alignment or tire rotation. If you hear any clunking from the front end, get it checked immediately. Ball joint replacement costs $300 to $600. Waiting until one fails and causes an accident? That's catastrophic. Problem number 2, leaking shocks and struts. You look at your shocks or struts and see oil leaking down the side. You think, well, it still rides okay, so I'll deal with it later. Big mistake. Leaking shocks are failed shocks, and they're causing multiple problems you don't realize. When a shock or strut leaks, it's lost its damping fluid. That means it can't control the spring properly anymore. Your car bounces more over bumps, your tires lose contact with the road more often, your stopping distance increases because weight transfer isn't controlled, and you're wearing out other suspension components faster. But here's what most people miss. Failed shocks cause tire cupping. That's when you get scalloped wear patterns on your tires that create a rhythmic thumping noise. People think they have bad tires and replace them, but the real problem is the shocks. New tires just get destroyed by the same issue. The test is simple. Push down hard on each corner of your car and let go. If it bounces more than once or twice, your shocks are done. Also, look for oil leaking on the shock body. The fix? Replace shocks and struts in pairs on the same axle. Costs range from $400 to $1,200 depending on your vehicle. Waiting means buying new tires prematurely because the cupping wears them out. That's another $600 to $1,000 wasted. Problem number 3, worn control arm bushings. Your control arm bushings are rubber or polyurethane components that connect your control arms to the frame. They isolate vibration and allow controlled movement. When they wear out, your alignment goes crazy and you get strange handling issues. The symptoms are vague, which is why people ignore them. The car feels loose or imprecise, it wanders on the highway, you hear clunking over bumps, the steering wheel isn't centered even though you're driving straight, your tires wear unevenly no matter how many alignments you get. Here's the problem. Worn control arm bushings let your suspension geometry change randomly as you drive. Your alignment is never actually correct because the bushings are allowing too much movement. You can get an alignment every month and it won't help because the bushings are shot. We see this constantly. Customer comes in for the 3rd alignment in 6 months because their car still pulls and the tires are wearing unevenly. We lift it up and find the control arm bushings completely torn and allowing a ½ inch of play. The symptoms get worse over time. Eventually, the bushings tear completely and you get metal-on-metal contact, which destroys the control arm mounting points on the frame. Now you're welding frame mounts instead of just replacing bushings. The fix? If your car feels loose, wanders, or won't hold an alignment, have the control arm bushings inspected. Replacement costs $300 to $800. Wait too long and you're looking at frame repairs costing thousands. Problem number 4, failing wheel bearings. Remember I said problem 4 is causing uneven tire wear?
Failing wheel bearings are insidious because they cause symptoms that get blamed on other things. A failing wheel bearing makes a humming or growling noise that changes with speed. Most people think it's tire noise and ignore it, but that bearing is allowing the wheel to wobble slightly, which causes uneven tire wear patterns. You replace the tires thinking that'll fix the noise, but it doesn't because the bearing is the real problem. The other symptom is a loose or vibrating steering wheel, especially at highway speeds. People think they need an alignment or balance. Get those done, and the problem persists because the bearing has play in it. Here's what makes this dangerous. A completely failed wheel bearing can lock up or allow the wheel to come off. We're talking catastrophic failure while driving, and the failure can happen suddenly once the bearing is badly worn. The test is to lift the vehicle and grab the wheel at 12 and 6 o'clock, then try to rock it. Any play indicates bearing wear. You can also spin the wheel and listen for grinding. The fix? Any humming noise that changes with speed needs diagnosis. Wheel bearing replacement runs $300 to $600 per wheel. Waiting until catastrophic failure could mean an accident. Problem number 5. Worn sway bar links and bushings. Your sway bar links and bushings are probably worn right now and you have no idea. These components control body roll during turns and keep your car stable. When they wear out, you get clunking noises and poor handling. The most common symptom is a clunking or rattling noise over bumps, especially small bumps at low speeds, like speed bumps or potholes. People ignore this, thinking it's normal road noise. Meanwhile, the sway bar is moving around excessively because the links and bushings are shot. Worn sway bar components also cause excessive body roll and turns. Your car leans more than it should. You might feel the car is less stable or feels tippy in corners. This makes emergency maneuvers more dangerous because the car doesn't respond predictably. The links themselves can actually break if ignored long enough. We've seen sway bar links completely separated, leaving the sway bar doing nothing. At that point, your handling is compromised and you're one emergency swerve away from serious problems. The fix? Any clunking over bumps should be diagnosed. Sway bar links and bushings are relatively cheap, $150 to $400 for parts and labor. Don't ignore the clunking. Problem number 6. Damaged steering rack bushings. Your steering rack mounts to the subframe with bushings. When these bushings wear out, the rack moves around, causing vague steering feel and clunking noises. The symptoms are a clunk when turning the wheel at low speeds, like when parking, a loose or imprecise steering feel, the car feeling disconnected from your inputs. People often think they need power steering work or an alignment, but the real issue is the rack bushings allowing too much movement. This problem is common on vehicles with 100,000 miles or more, especially in areas with rough roads or harsh weather. The bushings crack and deteriorate from age and exposure. If ignored, the loose rack can damage the mounting points on the subframe, turning a simple bushing replacement into a much more expensive subframe repair or replacement. The fix? If you feel looseness in the steering or hear clunking when turning, have the steering rack bushings inspected. Replacement costs $200 to $500. Waiting can let the rack damage the mounting points, making repairs more expensive. Let's recap the 6 suspension problems hiding in plain sight. Worn ball joints, clunking and loose steering, leaking shocks, bouncing and tire cupping, worn control arm bushings, wandering and poor alignment, failing wheel bearings, humming noise and uneven tire wear, worn sway bar links, clunking over bumps, steering rack bushings, loose steering feel, and cracked springs, sagging and handling issues. Don't ignore these warning signs. Catch them early and you're looking at a few $100s. Wait until catastrophic failure and you're looking at thousands in repairs plus potential accident costs. Now, tell me in the comments, which symptoms does your car have right now? And if this saved you from a major repair bill, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.